Hello students, today we will do the revision of triangles. So first of all, what is triangle? See, there are three line segment and it is a closed figure. So a figure which is formed by three line segments, that is triangle. A triangle is a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. Now parts of triangle, and this is the symbol of triangle. You will write symbolically triangle in this way. So how we will write this triangle? This is ABC, so we will write as triangle ABC. Parts of triangle. A triangle has 6 parts, or you can say 6 elements. 3 sides, 3 angles. So 3 sides, this AB, one side, BC, CA. These are 3 sides, 3 angles. This angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now vertices of triangle ABC. Vertices means the corners A, comma B, comma C. So these are the 3 vertices. So A, B and C. See the interior and exterior of triangle. If any point is in triangle, then it is interior point. If any point is on the side of triangle, then you will say on the triangle. If any point is outside the triangle, then it is exterior point. Now see the medians. Suppose this is a triangle. See, this is a triangle. So D is the midpoint. So whenever you will join the opposite vertex to the midpoint, this AD line, this will be median. So in a triangle you can draw 3 medians: AD, FC and BE. A line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite to the vertex is called a median of the triangle, and this point is known as centroid. Now altitude of triangle. See, this is a triangle. Whenever you draw a perpendicular means 90 degree, this is 90 degree angle, then it will be a altitude. So in a triangle you can draw 3 perpendicular from A vertex, this is AD, from C vertex, that is CF, from B vertex, that is BE. So in a triangle there are 3 altitudes. An altitude of the triangle is a perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side, produced, right? Now quadrilaterals. Quadra means 4. It means 4-sided figure. So this is the figure of quadrilateral. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is having 4 sides. So this is a 4-sided figure made up of a 4-sided closed figure made up of 4 line segment, that is quadrilateral. The figure made up of 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. Now it has 4 vertices: A, B, C, D. It has 4 sides: AB, BC, CD, DA. AB, BC, CD, DA. 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. And about diagonals, whenever you will join the opposite vertices, see, AC and BD are 2 diagonals. Now the adjacent side where you are having a common vertex. See, A is common vertex, and by the common vertex AB side, AD side. So these are adjacent sides. And DC and AB, these 2 sides, AD and BC, they are opposite sides. Right? So AB, BC, DC, CD. AB and AD is a pair of adjacent, and BC and AD are opposite. Now adjacent angle, opposite angles. Adjacent angle, see, on AB base there are 2 angles, angle A, angle B. They are adjacent angles. And whenever we are having different base, angle A and C, these 2 angles are opposite angles. Angle A, angle C, opposite angle. Angle B, angle D, opposite angle. And AB, angle A, angle B, adjacent angle. BC adjacent, CD adjacent, AD adjacent. Now interior, exterior. If any point is in quadrilateral, then they are interior point. If some points are outside the quadrilateral, then they are known as exterior point. Quadrilateral region. The interior of the quadrilateral ABCD together with the quadrilateral is called the quadrilateral region. So this along quadrilateral, this is known as quadrilateral region. So okay student, complete your exercise. Bye bye.